nitrous, a little bit more. Don't choke him. Gallop, come on, that's too weak. Legs. Good. Heels down, start looking for the coop. Right leg is active. Look, look. That's all right, go forward. That big one is that. Nice change. You need a little more leg. Tap him on the shoulder. There we go. Look at it, look at it. Right leg, right leg. I like the deep one there. Keep cantering, do the whole thing again now that your horse is awake. There you go. Now lengthen your rein. Beautiful, stay right there. Invisible, invisible, invisible. Beautiful. No more 2-point, you're in jumping position. Stay there. Yes. Help him out behind. That's okay. Keep going, keep going. Just keep going. There you go. Don't get handsy. You're in position now. Leg yield out. Bend out. Look at it. Outstanding. Walk and pat him. Very, very good. All right, Scooby can be done with that just because I don't want to open any more cans of worms. Right. Let go of his mouth. Gallop. You're on it. Now be loose. Legs. Oh, come on, Bailey.
Oh my gosh, Bailey.
Smack him on the shoulder. Bailey's all, I thought I was done too. Almost, Bailey. There you go. Oh, Bailey. Leg yield. Left leg.
Oh.
Oh, wait, that's not right. Sorry.
That's okay. Atta girl.
My left stroke is higher than, or lower than
Yes, invisible. Invisible. Beautiful. Start looking. Lovely. There you go. Yes. 2 more jumps, babe. Use your turn. Use your eye. Start looking. You're fine. Now figure it out. Yes, push him over. Look, look, look. Left, right leg. Right leg, right leg. Yes. Nice job. Very good. Now you got my horse all wet.